What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today's video we are going to be taking a look at the always on display feature that would be seeing on the MIUI 12. Now the special thing about this is the customization. Xiaomi right now has 1000 plus styles for the always on display available onto their store. Like, am I missing a link over here? Like, how did Xiaomi just come up with 1000 plus more styles right now? Like, MIUI 11 didn't have this feature, like at least for the global and the China stable, cause there are a ton of styles right over here, and it would be coming soon to all always on display featured phones into the MIUI 12. Again, if you want more coverage on the MIUI 12, which would be coming around like April 27 or 29, and we would be expecting a closed beta build around May 6. So again, if you just don't want to miss anything on that, please do subscribe, because I'm going to actually showcase some of the features which are currently available on the MIUI 11 latest beta, which would be coming onto the MIUI 12, such as for example this anti-flicker mode, which is just completely working fine onto the last MIUI beta for the Redmi K20 Pro. But this would be officially sent into the MIUI 12. So I just don't show the pictures. I do actually show it completely working, unlike some another channels right now. But if you just don't want to miss that, do subscribe with bell notifications on, and let's just go to the settings app. Again, as you can see, UI is just pretty much the same into the last betas too. Always on display pretty much just looks the same, and again the feature set is just same. But now if you scroll down, as you can see, there are a lot of always on display styles. Now this is not just a limit, these are online items. If I just click on them, as you can see, it just completely takes me to the store, and the above ones are just pretty much the same. Like you have the signature, the clock, then again you have this one from the Methane somewhere over here. There you go. So yeah, the functionality and everything is just pretty much the same. Like again, UI might not be the same on the global stable, but you can of course add your custom picture right over here, which I already showcased you guys into the last MIUI 11 betas. But now if you scroll down, this is the main highlight. Now again, these are yet to be renamed, but as you can see, you have a lot of styles. Now they are just not accessible like right over here. You can now actually go to the themes app, and if you just scroll to the further right, there you go, always on display, a brand new section with over 1000 plus more styles, and it's not even yet officially announced. So you can just imagine once the MIUI 12 is launched with it, it will just look amazing. Like again, you can of course go to my account, and there is a always on section right over here, and again I have downloaded a bunch of them. Like this one, I like this gauge right over here, looks quite nice. As you can see, again you have the preview for it. Then again, this one is quite good, like the koi pond. Yep. This one is not animated, but it's just a Windows 10 death screen. Then again you have this gauge right over here for the clock. Again, as you can see, beautiful animations. But if I just go to any kind of another ones, like from these, for example, I just try this one, it does actually have a animation even on the store. So you can see the indicator right over here. It does actually take quite a lot of time to load, even on my 35 Mbps connection, but the preview is quite actually good. So you have to just wait, and there you go. As you can see, it even shows the animation right over there. You can of course download it right over here, and it won't actually show into your always on display section in settings until you apply it. It will be just right over here. So if I just apply it directly, there you go. Takes a second, tap on the screen, and it's not applied. Yep, it's kind of glitchy right now. But if I just go to my account always on, and if I just apply it right over here again, theme applied successfully. Let's just tap, and there you go, beautifully applied with all the animations. And that's basically it. Functionality is just pretty much the same. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the MIUI 12 always on display. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you found this helpful, please drop a like, and if you want to install this, you will actually need a latest China beta. This won't actually work on the global stable or the China stable, I guess, but you have to just install the APK as it is. As you can see, successfully installed with the brand new MIUI 12 themes app. So if you just don't get this one installed, it will actually say some server error or something, but it just won't work. And both of these installed, you can have the brand new always on display. And I hope you guys found it helpful. Please drop a like if you want more content like this, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.